in response to you venting about me about the kids, how you expect me to take it, especially when I'm trying to help you out? I'm supposed to be the man of the house, supposed to be paying all the bills.
That's why I told you, you worry about the finances. I'm going to do everything else. We argue so much, and it's just to the point that one time we did threaten to divorce.
What? For why?
Because the constant bickering back and forth, the yelling at each other.
And who was starting the bickering? Come on. Jonathan, Jonathan does not present himself as a man that ever started a bicker in his life. He might finish a bicker with a Glock, but he won't start it.